You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this expression from Gaelic. For more Irish pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned, loads to learn here. It essentially means kiss my you-know-what. Can't really say it here on YouTube, but it's not extremely friendly, but sometimes you have to say it. Pog mo horn, pog mo horn, pog mo horn is how you say it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.